Hello everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ, and today we're going to talk about some of our atmospheric offerings. So we're going to start with the Entourage and the Entour Venue. Now these have been around for a while, but not a whole lot has been discussed about this. So I'm going to go over some of the differences and the things that you need to know to help figure out which unit is going to be right for your venue. So let's start with the Entourage. As you can see, this unit is housed in a road case. This is designed to be set up, taken down, put in box trucks, taken on tour. It's built to handle that. Whereas the Entour Venue, as you can see, all the components, I wouldn't say the components, but basically the housing is exposed, and you have this nice hanging bracket as well. This is more designed to be sat on the ground, whether it be sat like this, or I don't know if you can tell there's some feet over here. You could sit it up vertically if you'd like. This one here, you could effectively do the same thing, but of course you get the hanging bracket, so this might be a little bit nicer in a permanent install if you want to hang it maybe above the stage and have the haze kind of trickle down. Now let's talk about some of the similarities. They're both going to use a 1500 watt heater. What that means is you're going to get a lot of output, and when I say a lot of output, we're talking 15,000 cubic feet per minute. To give you an example, I've been in a venue where 4 of these were used on a pay-per-view fight, where 4 of these filled up an entire venue that seated 100,000 people. This is effectively the same unit, just in a different housing. Now let's talk about some of the things that are going to be more convenient for you. Well, the nice part is both of them work off of DMX. So if you're someone who wants to be able to control your atmospheric effects through the board, you can. There's also a convenient LCD display if you'd like to manually control it. The other nice part is these both feature a self-cleaning option. Now what's awesome about this, and one of the biggest problems with atmospheric machines, is a lot of times the fluid remains in the lines and in the pump, and over time, if they sit for a long period of time, that can cause clogs, which ultimately lead up to failure. This has a self-cleaning feature where basically it pulls all that back, and the nozzle gets real hot and disintegrates anything that's going to actually cause some sort of buildup. So it's going to last a long time. Both of these units have the ability of going down to as low as 5%, which I'm on now, or as high as 100. The reason I'm pointing this out, let's think of a house of worship application where we still want some haze, but we need to have those intimate moments where the stage is quiet. Well, if that's something that you need, these are powered on, they're already heated up, and you can't hear anything. And that's because they're on a low setting. But if I need to fill the entire room in a matter of seconds, I can do that as well. So again, guys, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ. This is the Entourage, and this is the Entour Venue, and I'll be talking to you soon.